Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. It's just like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to do. I pinch the clamps here, flip them over. Got a handle on the driver's side, a handle on the passenger side, and look here, spring assisted. I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do, very lightweight. 34 inches wide on the ramp, 32 inches wide down there in the base where the ramp sets. That's 2 inches wider than a side entry, so that does make a difference if you have a wider chair or want to haul wider chairs. It's got 8 tie-down points, so it can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie-downs away with each vehicle. Cup holders in the rear, plenty of those. Headliner looks good, got the rear air controls. Between these seats is 21 inches if you want to pull a chair up in there and set someone's legs between it. Most chairs won't fit between 21 inches. We can put more narrow seats in there. We can put seats that flip up on their side. Just let us know what your needs are and we can try and build a van to customize it to exactly what you need. Very clean inside and out. The dash is in excellent condition. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road while you're changing the radio station. Backup camera. Dual climate control and rear air. Plenty of cup holders. And when you've got everybody secure, come back out. All it takes is 1 finger here. Lift it back up. 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. Quick walk around to the van. It's extremely clean. Tinted windows in the rear. The miles have a little bit of miles, 24,000 miles on this van. Overall, super clean though. I only buy this, like I said, 1 owner, no accidents. Miles are actual. This is all according to our auto check report. We go over these vans very thorough before we purchase them. We purchase only the nicest vans. I'm not looking for something that's been pulled out of a river. I don't want something that's been in a bad accident. I want nice, clean vans that we can put out on the market. I see a tiny little dent here. I see someone put some touch-up paint on it. And I hope you can see by these videos, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can about this van. We have nothing to hide. We have absolutely no trouble selling these vans. I just want to be honest and fair as I possibly can. The van's interior is super clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. There's the VIN number. We always show you the VIN number so you know that we're selling the van we say we're selling. There's a lot of people out there doing some crazy things with selling vehicles that aren't what they say they're selling, and don't even get me started. So very clean interior. Looks darn near brand new. Very nice. You can see the current miles, 24,486 at the 1 keyless entry. The 1 little just plain key. If you want another fob made at your cost, we can do that. When I go to turn the van on, turns on first time every time. The little low tire light's gonna come on. We just passed one of these tires, had a little hole in it. And then we have to drive at like 15 miles, you can see that. So after we drive at 15 miles, that should go out, no issues there. The backup camera, like I mentioned. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, very clean. No signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents, no signs of any leaks or rust or water or anything like that. I buy these vans from the same perspective you do. Like I said, I don't want anything that's going to be trouble. And you'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show you the undercarriage of the van. That's because they're buying these vans from Chicago and New York and up northeast, and they're all rusted out. They don't want you to see that part. They want you to see a nice price on the internet. And I don't know how much you know about rust in cars. You do not want a vehicle that's been rusted out underneath. And you say to yourself, it's 2017, it only has 24,000 miles. How much rust could it have? Yeah, you let a vehicle spend 3 years up in New York or Chicago, you see how much rust that thing has when it's done. So that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because the pictures were nice. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume that the van runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. I'm telling you one thing right now. If you're going to have people, they're going to say a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more mobility van Tell them to get off their behinds. Tell them to get out and make you a detailed video like this. People get suckered on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. We've got our mechanics check our power windows, our heat, our air, our power locks, our cruise control. This is not some van that you come look at it or that it shows up out at your place. It's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. I'm showing you everything I can on this van to let you know we've inspected it. It's a good quality van. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've made sure the vehicle is roadworthy. We're not pulling any punches. Pop this thing up to about 70 miles an hour for you. It's up to 70, no problem. There's plenty of power. Everything's very smooth. The steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not rocking back and forth. That's exactly what we want. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at our reviews on Google. See all the nice things people had to say about us. And that's what sells these vans. It's our reviews, it's our reputation, it's our price, it's these videos. We are absolutely no pressure sales. And if you don't buy this van, I promise you someone else is going to. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers out there have a nice price on the internet, and they don't tell you about that $500 document and tag fee or that $1,000 or $1,200. You know, if they're gonna hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you on the vans? Something you seriously need to ask yourself. We're very transparent about everything we do and how we do our business. What I'll do is take the next exit here. I'm going to give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. Very nice van. So of course, no, it's not brand new, but it's extremely clean, looks nice, runs nice, smells nice. I cannot see any issues with this vehicle whatsoever. Brand new conversion, 3-year, unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge, a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. And when you're comparing us to the competition, again, we make these videos. We're trying to be as transparent as we possibly can. I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here crawling on the ground underneath the van so you can see exactly what you're getting. Which brings me to my next point. Most of these places you call, you're going to get a used car salesman. Most of those used car salesmen, they'll probably be working somewhere else in 2 or 3 months. They'll be chasing that commission check. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't really care if you get the truth. And that's why used car salesmen unfortunately have the reputation that they have. Me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you to repeat business. I want you to get the truth. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. That's why I'm out making these videos. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'd love to hear from you. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. That's 316-262-VANS. If you want to text me, if you're more of a texter, give me a text on my cell phone, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try and get the owner's cell phone number from one of those big companies. I'd be curious to see if they care about customer satisfaction and customer service enough to give the owner's cell phone number. See our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you're ever going to come in, please always make an appointment. I know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. We do have financing available. We can send you an application online. We can take one over the phone. We can send one to your phone. So please let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.